Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this snail sculpture out of paper. So here we have the little snail on a leaf design. So the things that you're going to need are a strip of paper. You can cut this any size you like. A piece of construction paper or any paper really. Then you're going to need scissors and glue and markers or a type of colored material. So first thing you're going to do is use your strip of paper and a pencil. You can use a pen, a color pencil, even like a marker, but you're going to want it to be kind of skinnier. So what you're going to do is we're going to roll this into a spiral for the snail. So we're going to start really tight. And you're rolling the paper around the pencil little by little. Little by little, keep it as tight as possible. It might take a few tries to get this. There we go. And now you're going to hold it for a few seconds. And take it off. And here you have your spiral. Now this part of the spiral will become the head of your snail. I am going to cut out the eyes, and I'm just going to do down, over, and up. That's the way that I'm working on mine. Now, if you have this, you can do this, or you can just draw your eyes, but I have these little googly eyes. I'm going to glue them right here. So just a little dot of glue on my googly eyes. Like this. And there's my snail. So the snail is done. You can color on the snail if you like, but I'm just going to leave mine like this, okay? Next thing I'm going to do is use my construction paper, and I'm going to cut out a basic leaf shape. So I'm going to cut up, curve, and then back to the top right in the middle. That's going to be my point. My leaf is pretty small. You can do a big giant leaf and make a whole bunch of snails on one big leaf. That might be a cool idea. So there we go. Oops, sorry about that. Now I'm going to do my decoration. So, real quick, right here behind me, we have some line types. This is the way that I wanted to decorate. Mine was with different line types because leaves have intricate line designs and they don't look like this exactly, actual zigzag lines. They're usually more organic and wavy, but I thought this might be a cool idea. So right here behind me, we have some of our line types. This is mostly review. Zigzag is the first one. Wavy, straight, dash line, dotted line. Castle line is a little tricky, but it's super fun. And then we have the spiral line. So that is what I'm going to work on for my leaf. And it's not a realistic one, so you can use any colors that you like. I'm going to start with a few straight ones. I'm going to switch colors. I'm going to try a castle line above that one. Now when you draw your castle line, over, up, over, down, over, up, over, down. You can practice on another piece of paper if you want. And I'm making mine the same on both sides. That's called a symmetry. Now I'm going to use brown, and I'm going to add a zigzag. One of my favorite line types is a zigzag. wavy line. And my final touch will be a dotted line here at the bottom. You could even make this much bigger with no snail if you get really into this type of drawing and design. So there's my leaf. Now all you need to do is glue your snail onto your leaf. So decide where you like to put it. Put a little dot of glue at the bottom. Any type of glue will work. And then you just slide your finger right in there and you're going to hold it. Count in your head 20 seconds about. That should be pretty good. So, there you have it.